When the mind wakes up, peace replaces people. You stop chasing love when you realize attention isn't affection. The truth doesn't free you. It exposes everything that kept you blind. You see silence differently when you learn it was never empty. Awakening isn't light. It's the courage to face your own darkness. You start valuing time more when you see how much was wasted on noise. When you finally wake up, you stop explaining and start observing. Not everyone grows with you. Some were only meant to keep you asleep. Awareness hurts first, but then it heals everything.